Hi guys, today's video is about how I styled this plain yellow dress. So let's move into the video. This is the plain yellow dress. It has a round neck and it is sleeveless. So I will be showing you how I styled this wonderful dress. It is a skater dress, kind of a cotton material. So let's move into the video. I used this wonderful black and yellow striped checkered jacket to style the wonderful yellow skater dress. So let me show you how the jacket looks like. So I used this black and yellow striped checkered print jacket to style my plain yellow skater dress. Now let me show you a close view of how the prints and checks looks like. Isn't it amazing, guys? Now because it has yellow stripes here, it really goes well with the yellow skater dress. Now this jacket is sleeveless. It has a kind of black cotton finish at the end on both sides. It has a zip here and also cute little pockets on either sides and an amazing button to fix it up. Now if you don't have a plaid finish jacket, you can still wear a plaid shirt, which will also look amazing on a yellow skater dress. So this is how the outfit will look like, guys. Plain yellow skater dress paired up with a black yellow striped checkered print jacket. Now if you don't have a jacket like this, you can still wear something similar like this if you have a shirt, and this is how the outfit will look like. Isn't it amazing, guys? This is the full view of the outfit. Something very different and elegant to wear. Try this. For the earrings, I have three wonderful options for you. The first one are these silver hoops, which are really trending and very comfortable to wear. I purchased this on Purple Trunk. Purple Trunk has their own Facebook page. You can even check out hoops with different colors like gold shimmery finish. Now this is a silver shimmery finish earring. It is really stylish. Second option are these oxidized stud earrings. These are also really cute to wear. And the third one is these beautiful star-shaped stud earrings. I purchased both these earrings on Purple Trunk, so you can check out for more options there. So these are the earring options that I have for you. For the shoes, I have these cute little black shoes. It has an amazing bow detailing here and also a unique gold design in front. So these shoes will go really well on a plain yellow skater dress paired up with that wonderful checkered print jacket. So this is the finished look, guys. Plain yellow skater dress paired up with a black yellow striped jacket. If you don't have a jacket like this, you can still wear something similar like a shirt, plaid shirt if you have, and these cute little black shoes and these amazing earrings that you're seeing here. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Do try out these outfits. They're really unique, guys, and do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to update new videos about different styles of outfits. I will do that for you. Thank you once again.